Hello everyone! My pretty and so adorable niece will be joining me today since she is on Christmas vacation from school. Hi Sheilla!
Hi Tita! I'm so happy and excited that I'll be joining you in your cooking video.
Really?
Yes! I love to bake cookies and brownies and I always watch your videos on YouTube and I already subscribed.
Oh, that's great. That's additional subscriber. Okay, Sheilla, your mommy told me that you want to make desserts as Christmas presents for your family and friends.
Yes, I want to make something special that's super cute and easy to make.
How about let's make brownies and decorate it like a Christmas tree?
Ooh, that would be so cool!
Then let's start making our Christmas tree brownies. Okay, Sheilla, first step, I'm going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. It's very important to preheat the oven before putting the brownies inside the oven, okay?
Okay.
Next, we're going to line our baking pan with parchment paper. So, we're going to put our brownies in there. We're going to put parchment paper so that the brownies won't stick to the pan, okay? Like this. Okay, you're doing a great job. Here. Okay, we're going to set it aside. Let's mix our ingredients for our brownies. I have melted unsalted butter here. You want to put it into the bowl?
Yes.
Okay, slowly. All right, great job. And then melted chocolate. You want to use the spatula so that you can finish everything. You're doing a great job. Okay, try to scrape the sides and the bottom to make sure you get everything. I'll show you. Scrape the sides and the bottom as well. You don't want to waste the ingredients. You want to finish all of them. Okay. Now you mix the butter and the melted chocolate. You can mix it like this, like that. Okay.
Is this okay?
Yes, you're doing a great job. Okay. It's well combined. Now we're going to add the eggs. Okay, and then sugar. Okay, and vanilla extract. Okay, so when you mix it like this, I'll show you first. Like this. It's like you're swirling it. Is that how you call it? Swirl? Swirl?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Okay. Just continue mixing it. Okay. Just keep mixing it until everything is well blended. Okay. Now I'm going to set it aside. Now we're going to combine flour and cocoa powder. All right. Get a whisk. Whisk them together until well blended. Wow, you're doing so good, Sheilla. How many times have you made brownies?
Many times.
Many times. Like how many times? 10 times? More than?
More than.
Okay. Okay, that's perfect. I'm going to set it aside. Okay, now we're going to fold our flour and cocoa powder into the wet ingredients.
Okay, but what is fold? I don't understand it.
Folding is a process of combining the ingredients together gently without stirring it. So you just mix it very, very slowly. And if you overmix your brownie mixture, it will develop gluten and you're gonna end up having a tough brownies. And you don't want that. You want a moist and super chewy brownies, right?
Okay, folding and don't overmix. I'll tell mommy.
Yeah, tell that to mommy. Okay. So, put it inside the bowl. You want me to show you first how to fold? Okay. So you just move down the spatula and fold it. Move it down, fold it. Okay? You move it, fold it down, move it, fold it down. Okay?
Okay.
You wanna try it?
Yes.
Move it, fold. Move it, fold. Okay. Move it, fold. And then try to scrape the bottom and the sides just to make sure everything is well blended. Okay. Very good. Okay, now let me check. Okay, just gonna fold it one more time. Our brownie mixture is so perfect. Okay. And now we're going to transfer our brownie mixture into our prepared baking pan. Okay? I will do it, okay? Because this is heavy. You wanna hold it there. Thank you, Sheilla, for helping me.
Welcome.
Okay. Just hold on to it. I'm just gonna scrape the bottom and the sides. You wanna finish everything. Oops. Okay, so I'm just going to use a spatula to level the brownies. Alright. Now we're going to bake this in the oven for 27 to 30 minutes. You want to open the door for Tita?
Yeah, sure.
Always remember to bake in the middle of the oven, okay?
Oh, our brownies are done.
Yes, I baked it for 28 minutes. Can you smell it?
Smells good, Tita.
Smells good, right? Smells like chocolate. Now we're going to cool it down until it reaches room temperature, and don't hold the baking pan because you don't want to burn yourself, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sheilla, I'm going to chill this in the fridge for 1 hour to make our brownies firm, okay?
Okay.
Sheilla, our brownies are ready. We're going to transfer it to a cutting board. You want to remove the parchment paper?
Yes.
Here. Just do it slowly. And then, gonna flip it up. And then you just bring it down. There. Alright, other side. Okay. I'm going to slice first in the middle. Okay, then we're going to cut triangles. I'm gonna try to make 10 triangles out of our brownies, alright? Excuse me. Right. 2, 3. I think we can make more than 10 triangles, right? Can you count? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can make 14 triangles. Wow. All right. Okay, so we have 14 triangles. So I'm just going to set this aside. You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Sure. Have a bite.
So yummy.
So yummy. Is it chewy? Can I have a bite as well? You're right. It's very chewy and fudgy. So, I have a triangle here. And for candy cane, I'm going to remove the curved part. Alright. Okay, so you're going to insert the candy cane at the bottom of the brownie. Okay? So you just insert it slowly. You have to do this carefully, okay? Alright. There you go. You want to do the second one?
Yes.
Going to cut it. Okay. I'm going to cut the candy cane and you insert the candy cane. Deal?
Deal.
Right. All right. Wanna try again? Very good. Okay.
Last piece of brownie.
Yeah, last piece. Okay. Okay, Sheilla, now it's time to make our sugar frosting.
What do we need for the frosting?
We only need powdered sugar, milk, gel, food coloring, this is color green, and
Vanilla extract.
okay. So we're just gonna put everything into the bowl. Okay. Put the milk. All right. Can put the vanilla extract. Okay, and then I'm going to add our food coloring. So I'm gonna mix it first. Nice, right? Okay, you wanna mix the icing?
Yes, but what will I use? Spatula or whisk?
Whisk is easier. Okay, so when you whisk it, you hold the bowl, whisk it slowly. Doing a great job. Okay, just keep whisking it until it's smooth. All right, you're doing a great job again. Okay, I think that's enough. All right, so I'm just going to set it aside and we're going to make a piping bag. So I'm going to cut a scaling triangle shape for our piping bag. Okay. So this is scaling triangle, all right? Say it again.
Scaling
Triangle, all right. Can you hold it there? Okay. Okay. So, you have to watch this and you have to remember how to do this, okay? We're going to start from this side. And then you're going to roll it so it looks like you're going to make a cone shape. Okay. And make sure it's closed, okay? This part.
Okay.
So that the icing will not come out later when you pour the icing. Then we're going to fold it down to secure the piping bag. All right? There. Okay. So we have our piping bag. Get a spatula. And then we're gonna pour the icing. Okay. Okay, not too much because you're going to fold down the piping bag. So we close it, and fold it there, fold it here, and then down. Okay, and then one more, all right? Now, we're going to cut a hole. Okay, we're gonna start decorating our Christmas tree brownies. Okay, start from the top and then make a zigzag line. Okay. Perfect. Okay, and then you're going to set it aside and then don't touch it, okay? You wanna try it?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm going to guide your hand. So you hold it here and you press it. So when you're piping, you have to press it so that the frosting will come out, okay? I will guide you. So you hold, when you pipe, you hold it here, there. All right? Straight line and then zigzag. Hey! Good job. Okay, one more. You wanna hold it? Okay, wanna do it on your own? Very good. Just keep pressing. Okay. Okay. Now, we have the candy sprinkles here. I'm gonna give you the freedom to have fun and be creative with your Christmas tree brownies. All right?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Star. That's nice. Can I decorate one?
Okay.
I'm gonna decorate one for myself. Okay?
All done, Tita.
Yay! You did a great job! You finished decorating all the Christmas tree brownies. Now we're going to arrange it into a serving plate, okay? We're just going to clean up. Wow, Shia, those are super cute and beautiful Christmas tree brownies. Did you have fun making this? Do you find it easy or hard to make?
No, Tita. It's so easy and fun to make. I'm excited to make this with Mom.
I had fun making these brownies with you too. Let's greet everyone a Merry Christmas!